You open your eyes millions of miles from home, you can't remember your name, and Earth's survival depends on you. Hey folks, welcome back. If you think The Martian was gripping, wait till you strap in for Andy Weir's Project Hail Mary. It's part survival thriller, part hard science puzzle, part first contact buddy story, and the Audible version turns it into a full-blown space epic in your ears. Meet Ryland Grace. He wakes up in a spaceship light years from home. Two dead crewmates float nearby. His memory wiped. His mission unknown. The only thing clear: something catastrophic is threatening Earth, and he's the last shot we've got. Piece by piece, his memories snap back. The ship was built from every nation's combined effort, a desperate Hail Mary to save our planet. And now it's just him, his brain, and the cold, empty silence of space, or so he thinks. You could read it, but Audible makes it unforgettable. Narrator Ray Porter doesn't just read, he inhabits the characters. His timing with the humor, the tension, even the alien dialogue, perfection. There's a reason this audiobook won the 2022 Audie Award for Audiobook of the Year, and has sold over 2 million copies. When the story introduces its most unexpected character, trust me, you'll thank yourself for listening instead of reading. The sound design, the voice work, it's like having a private IMAX in your head. Weir is known for grounded science, but here it's cranked to 11. Real astrophysics, biology, and engineering, explained in a way that makes you feel smart without a PhD. That said, some listeners warn, the first third is heavy on world building and problem solving. If you want instant explosions, you'll need patience, but it pays off big. And here's the kicker: beneath all the science, there's heart. Without spoiling, there's an alien ally named Rocky, and the friendship that grows between him and Grace is one of the most charming, funny, and oddly touching relationships I've ever heard in science fiction. Think Interstellar meets The Odd Couple, with fist bumps and interspecies banter. What works? The tension, the humor, the ingenious problem solving, and the fact that you'll probably learn something about Tochetti without even trying. What might not? If you're impatient with deep dives into physics, the slower stretches might test you. And yes, Weir leans on a magic material called xenonite, a bit too often, but hey, it's sci-fi, we'll allow it. The ending, satisfying, emotional, and in true Andy Weir style, it leaves you grinning and maybe a little teary. For me, Project Hail Mary on Audible wasn't just a story, it was an experience. Commutes felt shorter, chores turned into adventures. It's the kind of audiobook that makes you want to sit in the driveway just to hear the next chapter. If you're a science nerd, you'll love the detail. If you're here for the characters, you'll love the bond between Grace and Rocky. And if you just want to escape Earth for a while, well, this ticket's one way to Tochetti. I've dropped my Amazon affiliate link in the YouTube description. Click it to grab Project Hail Mary on Audible. If you're new to Audible, you can even get it for free with their trial. Don't wait.